Rani and welcome to Amigos Cookroom. Today I'll be showing you how easily you can prepare cheese burst pizza at home. The concept of pizza came from a similar dish that used to be prepared by the poor Napoli people of Italy during the 18th and 19th century. But that is not what we call pizza today. The concept of modern pizza evolved with time when the Europeans came in contact with the Americans during the Second World War. Concept of adding varieties, cheese and toppings over the pizza took an entire century to evolve. In order to make cheese sauce at home, heat some butter in a pan. Once the butter starts melting, add around 1 cup of grated processed cheese or regular cheese. Mix the cheese with the butter and allow them to melt. Now slowly add some milk. The quantity of milk will depend on how much sauce you want and how thick you want it to be. Putting the gas on medium flame, keep stirring the milk with the cheese and butter until you get your preferred consistency. And once it is done, cool it down and transfer it to a container. Give it a whisk and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours to get your perfect cheese bread. I have boiled some chicken with salt and then chopped it to small pieces. I am adding some peri peri masala, but if you don't have this, you can add any other seasoning. Adding 1 teaspoon of oil to bind the spices with the chicken. And mix and marinate the chicken for a while. To fry the chicken, heat some oil in a pan and add the marinated chicken pieces. Putting the gas on high flame, fry the chicken very well. In between, add some water if required until the chicken is rightly done. Once the moisture has dried up, put off the flame and keep it aside. To prepare the crust, I have taken 1½ cup of flour, adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, some salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix them well. Further adding 1 teaspoon of oil, half a cup of regular curd, and around 2 teaspoons of lukewarm water. Mix the ingredients very well to make a soft dough out of it. Once the dough is ready, knead and beat the dough constantly at least for 10 minutes. The more you fold and knead the dough, the softer your pizza crust will become after baking. Once you have kneaded enough, cover the dough and rest it for at least 2 hours. You can make 2 pizzas out of this dough. For that, first divide the dough into 2 halves and then further divide each half into 1:3 ratio. Take the smallest portion of the 1:3 ratio and then roll it to a very thin chapati. It should be as thin like this and smaller than the size of the main crust or the base. Now prick some hole on the chapati with the help of a fork. In a pan, lightly toast both the sides of the chapati and keep it aside. Sprinkle some loose flour and take the bigger portion of the 1:3 ratio and start spreading it with your hand and then roll it to make the base. Roll it in such a way that the base should not be very thick and the size of it should be bigger than the chapati. Again sprinkle some loose flour on the baking tray. Carefully place the thick chapati on the baking tray and further prick it with a fork. To start with, apply enough of the previously prepared cheese spread over the crust. If you don't want to make this cheese sauce at home, you can definitely buy the ready-made cheese spread. And be generous with the amount of cheese sauce you are applying. Now carefully place the thin chapati over the cheese spread. Slowly fold and stick the extra part of the main base with the chapati. Now with the help of a fork, stick the edges with the chapati just like this to make sure that while baking, the edges should not open up. Now generously apply pizza sauce or any other sauce of your choice over the crust. To start with the toppings, at first add good amount of grated mozzarella cheese over the top. It is the mozzarella cheese that gives that stretchy look to the pizza. Now add the veggies like red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, some green bell pepper, some chopped onion. Now this is totally optional. If you don't like to add onion, you can easily skip this. Some previously boiled sweet corn. Last but not the least, the previously fried chicken pieces. And finally adding some more mozzarella cheese. If you want, you can buy mozzarella cheese from the link given in the description box. And in the meantime, preheat the oven in convection mode. Once the oven is ready after preheat, bake the pizza again in convection mode at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Oven baked chicken cheese burst pizza is ready to be served. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.